how to hide Instagram followers or following list. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram following or followers list private. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if you're trying to make the following or followers list private, so if someone goes to your Instagram profile and they select it, they won't see anything. The only way to do this is by making your account private. So that's where only people that you approve to be followers will be able to see your Instagram profile. And from there, once they're a follower, they'll be able to see the following and followers list. So you can't hide it for everyone, only people that are currently not approved followers. So to make your Instagram account private, navigate to your profile, then select the three lines in the top right to open the settings. Once the settings open up, scroll down to where it says account privacy, select that. And then you just want to toggle on private account. And as you can see here, it says when your account is private, only followers you approve can see what you share, and then also your followers and following list. So simply toggle on private account, confirm you do want to switch to a private account. And then when people go to your Instagram profile and they're not approved followers, your following and followers list will be hidden. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.